Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about unions. Actually we are discussing about the joining concept. So union is another type of join, you can say. Actually this is the most funny thing, query builder. This query builder provides a convenient method to union two or more queries together. Means suppose we have create another query and I want to join more data with that. So you can write another queries and you can join with a same return variable or same array, right? So hope you can understand what I trying to say. Means here inside my database we have a students table and we have a subject table. Now I want to get some name from the students and we want to get some name from the subjects table. Okay, so you can do query based on your requirement, but here I just going to get the name from both tables with different query. So how we can do this? So let's create with the example. So simply let's write a function, public function union operation. Okay, now here write some query. Means the query is first query. So first query I want to get result. I want to get the name from the student table. Okay, so simply write table students and I will fetch some name, select name. Okay, now I want to create another query. We can write the final query. Okay, so here just write db table and let's fetch some record from the subjects. Okay, now here we need to do another things. So here I just going to fetch some name also, select name. From where? From the subject table. Now I want to union that things. I want to get all the students data and subject data togetherly. So simply just write in this way, union. So these are the functions, using that we can do. So from the union just pass the first query. Understand? Now just return these things. So you will get both tables record. Okay, so simply just go here and let's create a route. Suppose write route get and write union and let's use join controller and class and let's use the functions. Now just go to this link and you can see all the record. Okay, now refresh this. So we are getting all the records, name, English, math, computer history, then the table name. Okay, so first table is the subject and then is the student. Okay, so if you check, the first thing is subject and then joining the next, right? So next is student. So that's the reason the first is appearing the subject and then student appear. So hope you can understand this union. Okay, so these are the interesting things. Sometimes you may know you may need in your application, that time we can help, but rarely it's needed. But the basic things of joining is this type of joining: inner join, left join, right join. These are the main joins. Using that join, using that concept, you can do the all project. Okay, so I am giving assurance that using these three types of joining, if you clear this type of joining concept, you can do the complete project with your own. Okay, so if you have any queries about union join, you can comment me, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.